Hi, this is MLB Fan. I'm making an unboxing for a package that came in the mail today. Here we go. Of course it's squash. You got the Atlanta Braves logo right here. It's called the Flawless Hat. All black. No, it's all blue. Blue brim, blue crown, blue air holes, blue button, white batterman with blue and red. You got the flannel pattern on the bill, black sweatband, flannel inside, genuine merch, new era, size 8. What the hell? Oh. Let's try this bad boy on. Perfect. And that has been my Atlanta Braves Flawless Hat. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.